Hey there, welcome to Fund to Money, your 24 into 7 buddy for all your money matters. How do you get the best education loan for overseas education? If you want to know about that, here we're going to discuss that, some of the important things that you need to keep in mind when you're going in for an educational loan for overseas education. So the main points are coming up in just a little while. Welcome back. Welcome to Fund to Money, your 24 into 7 buddy for all your money matters. Here we're going to discuss some of the important things that you need to know when you're going for an educational loan for overseas education. What are the most important things that you need to keep in mind? Here are some of the most important points. Now, number one is that you get the educational loan. The disbursal happens when you have confirmed admission in a course which is being conducted abroad, or a program that's being conducted abroad, and there's an online application process typically that's involved. You can get the details when you're actually seeking out an education loan for overseas education. Otherwise also you can there's an online process. Right now you typically get loans. The upper limit can vary, but if it's a good institution, a premier institution, then you can get loans up to 80 lakhs in some cases. In some cases it can go all the way up to 1.5 crores. So that's quite a lot, and it pretty much depends on the prestige of the institution. It covers educational loan typically will cover tuition, it will cover stay, you're staying somewhere, it will cover examination, it will cover the passage, so things like that it will cover, but you really need to check out what all the educational loan will cover. Now this educational loan will typically have a processing fee. For instance, it could be a 10,000 rupee processing fee. You need to check out about that. What does the loan amount depend on? It depends on quite a few things. It depends on the course, the institution involved, the co-applicant. Typically, educational loan, you need a co-applicant. Typically, it is the parent. Now, people would the lending institution would want to know the age of the co-applicant, because it's trying to ensure that the loan is repaid, and also the earnings prospects after one does that course. So as a result, you cannot really get educational loan for any kind of course or any kind of study. So it has to be from a premier institution. It has to be a regular sort of a course. So these things are important when educational loan is being given. Another important thing to keep in mind is that educational loans are given in rupees. It's disbursed in rupees, and it has to be repaid in rupees regardless of where you're studying, right? The loan amount is not given in one go. It's given in as and when the requirements happen, and it is given typically given directly to the institution concerned, or through some kind of authorized or representatives or something like that. So this is something that one needs to keep in mind. Now, typically for higher loan amounts, there could be a collateral requirement, typically residential property, non-agricultural land, or a fixed deposit which is assigned to the lender is something that that is typically sought. Apart from that, in some cases, some lenders might also allow a collateral being given by a third party. So it need not be the parent, but it could be some relative, close relative. So they might consider a third party collateral, right? Typically for lower loan amounts, say 4 lakhs or less, there is no margin requirement, but you need to pay up about 10% or so as the amounts go up. So this is something that you need to keep in mind. Apart from that, the loan tenure, the period of the loan can be between 12 to 15 years. Remember, this period plus a period where it could be 6 months to a year. That's the kind of moratorium period where there is no charges typically. and after that your EMI starts. So these are some of the most important things you need to remember when you are taking an educational loan for overseas education. We hope you found this useful. If there are other things that we missed out, you can put them in the comment section. If there are other thoughts, other suggestions, again in the comment section. You can follow us on all leading social media networks. You can visit our site, that's www.fundomoney.com. Till the next piece of interesting content on personal finance, take very good care of yourself, and goodbye.